said, Doctor, can you tell me what seems to be my problem then? I don't know what's going on. I keep getting fatter and fatter. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know exactly what your problem is. You are eating too many fat people's brains. It's not very good for you. I have one solution. I can cut it out of you.
What do you mean? You cut me brain out?
Yes, this is what I think is needed right away.
But I don't have a brain, Doctor. I'm a zombie.
Yes. Well, it doesn't matter, 'cause I shall have to be cutting something from you anyway.
But what do you mean? I didn't come here to get an operation, you know.
Yes, I know, but I'm a mad zombie doctor. So anyway, I shall be cutting something from you. Ah! You come back here, you big fat wimp.